Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list, and also it should be connected. Now tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. At the bottom right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so you check for software updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here at the bottom you will see a circle with download. You tap on it, then it quickly download this update, and then it changed to install, and you tap on install and wait until this update is finished. But if you have an update or it didn't help you, next one maybe a problem of audio player. So let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or something else, or at your browser. You just remove it from the cache and then open it again. Check it. If it didn't help you, also I recommend it to check if you have the last update for this application. You open App Store or Play Market and check it, and update if you haven't. Now, if it also didn't help you, the last one what I recommended to do is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of the earbuds, at the top we have SOUNDCORE logo. This is actually a touch area, so you need to press and hold both of them on your left and right earbuds for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now you can release your finger. Then we need to remove and add this earbud, so go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see it at the device list and just tap on it to reconnect them. And if you have Android, click pair after that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!